Why do folks swear by pumpkin desserts every fall? Maybe it's the buttery crust or that creamy spiced filling. Let's find out together. Grab your apron sugar. First, we're making the crust. Mix up your yellow cake mix. Save a cup for later. 1 egg and 1/2 cup melted butter. Press that soft goodness right into your pan. Now for the pumpkin layer, stir together 1 can, 15 ounces pumpkin pie mix, 2 eggs, and 2/3 cup milk. Pour that creamy batter right on top of the crust, don't be shy. Next, it's crumb topping time. Mix your saved cake mix, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/2 cup brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Sprinkle it all over like falling leaves. Bake at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, till the top's golden and your kitchen smells like a hug. When it's cool, slice it up and enjoy that buttery, creamy, crunchy bite. Like and subscribe for more down-home recipes, y'all. See you next time at Recipes with Me.